Yo, what is up guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome to another Evolving Skies opening. Now, last time we opened Evolving Skies, it was bad. It was real bad. But today, we have an ETB. Now, usually I don't have very good luck with ETBs. I find that they're better for players. I'm not a player, so the dice and stuff doesn't really do it for me. It's not anything that I need. I don't need the dividers really. There's not much I really need from the ETB other than the packs, and if the packs aren't good, so Evolving Skies overall has got good hit rates. I'm sure you guys can agree. It's been pretty good. Chilling Reign was terrible, so this has been a lot better, but I have had some bad luck. So let's see if we can turn it around and open this ETB from Evolving Skies. Hopefully get something really nice to add to our collection. Have you guys pulled anything that you really want yet? Have you guys pulled any of the gold cards? Let me know. Put a comment down below if you've got what you wanted, or are you still hunting? What are you hunting for? Let me know. There's some really great cards out there. I'm digging the alternate arts so much. There's such great artwork on there. So yeah, I mean, my gold card, as you guys can see in the top left of the screen, is the Umbreon V alternate art. I really want it. I also really want the Rayquaza V alternate art. I'm not so much a fan of the VMAX ones though. I don't mind them, but I'm not chasing them. So this is what you guys came to see. So first off, you get the nice, wonderful player's guide. Gives you all of the cards you can get from the set, including all of those fantastic alternate arts. Look, where are they? Does it give you the alternate arts in here? It does, doesn't it? I'm sure it does. Yeah. Go. There's the boy. Where's the Rayquaza? Look at these two. Best cards in the set. Hopefully you can pull one. Yeah, so this is not my first ETB that I've opened. Yeah, I've opened a few. Not any Evolving Skies though. This is my first Evolving Skies ETB. I'm a real big fan of the way that these are sort of like shiny. They're kind of like shiny. They remind me of like the full art cards where it's got a shiny outline. Really nice. Okay, so we open that. Got this nice divider here. All the nice colours. Put this to one side. I'll just throw it. Okay, so you get a Pokemon trading card rules. So that's just for the current sort of rules for the game. You get energy. You get some sleeves. I'm not a big fan of the sleeves because they've got like a matte finish. They're not quite. I mean, I'll show you guys what I mean. The sleeves. This is a Pokemon card, right? Oh, how do you even open this sleeve? So as you can see, it makes the card look really dull. Quite a horrible texture. Not a big fan of the matte sleeve, so get them out of the way. They're not what we're interested in, nor are you, Wishy-Washy, sorry. I can give you guys the code card for this. I don't really give out code cards very often, but you guys can have the ETB one. Get rid of that. And you got some dividers, you got some tokens.
Wrong.
That is.
You've also got some dice. The dice are quite nice here actually. I'm trying to show you. I like tie-dye almost. I like that. Sometimes I do wish I played the TCG so I could use some of these things. But this is what we're looking for. We are looking at the packs and we are hopefully going to get something good here. So let's have a look. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, it's correct. I'm not sure if you guys opened the Chilling Reign ETB from Pokemon Center, but I did. And you didn't get the amount of packs that they said you was going to get. I think it was 10 they said, and I think you only got 8. So that was rough. That wasn't too good. Let's see what we can pull. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to try and cover the code card so you guys don't spoil it for you. But we've got 4 from the back to the front, and around. Electric Energy, Pyroar, Scroll of the Fang Dragon, Ursaring, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee, Tympole, Cutiefly, Wishy-Washy Reverse, and Flapple. Okay, not a terrible start, I guess. It's a terrible start, but let's see what we can get. We need to get at least one hit from this box for it to be worthwhile. Otherwise, I'm losing lots of money and not getting anything out of it in return. So let's see. Have you guys had any luck with Evolving Skies? What have you pulled so far? Boost Shake, Scraggy, Bagon, Woobat, Tympole, Psyduck. We've got something here. I think it's a V. Hippopotas. This is nice. Can you guys see that? That is nice. You see what I meant as well about the outline? It's like a nice shiny. Wow, what a start. That's more like it. What a lovely card. Okay, let's get that sleeved up. And not in those horrible matte sleeves either. Nice centering as well, actually. It's not too bad. Let's have a little look again. Centering's really quite good. So I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but the centering recently from the Pokemon Company has been really bad. It's been like all over the place. I mean, I'm talking half of the card, you know, the border is like going here, and you've got a small border there. It's been really, really bad. But this is looking good. This is good. If we can get one more hit out of this box, that would be a fantastic box. I've not opened many ETBs in my life, but most of them have been a lot weaker than this so far. So that's really good. I'm really happy with that. Let's put all the rest of the cards to one side. Keep the Vaporeon there. What's your guys' favourite evolution as well? What's your favourite? Mine's Umbreon, but what is yours? Do you guys like Vaporeon, Flareon, Jolteon? There's so many to choose from nowadays, and I just love them all. But Umbreon is the king for me. Absolutely love him. Raihan, Ribombee, Fluffy, Drowsy, Flabebe, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu looking cute as hell, Flabebe Reverse, and Lilligant. Cool. We've still got 4 more packs. I believe it's 4. Let's double check. We've got a Sylveon, an Umbreon, a Sylveon. We've got 5. Let's go with Sylveon. Let's see what we can pull. Have you guys pulled the full art Sylveon yet? The alternate art one? I love those cards. There's 2 of them. You've got the V and the V Max. The V Max is just so good. So much going on. It's such a great card. It's so nice to look at. It's got nice blue. Such a cute card. It's a very cute card. Electric Energy. Shopping Centre. Oh, we missed one. Herdia. Pyroar. Applin. The Apple. Sableye. Nickit. Bergamite or Bergamite Carvana. Crystal Cave Reverse. And Gourgeist. Duraludon pack. Now, I've had some good luck with Duraludon packs. Let's see if we can keep that streak going. Okay, 4 from the back to the front. Steel Energy. Or Metal Energy. Okay, it's Psychic. I wasn't Psychic apparently. Elemental Badge. Herdia. Spirit Mask. Zorua. Diagonal. Petlil. Bergmite. Drowsy. Spirit Mask Reverse. And... Ooh! What is this, a Vaporeon box? That's nice. The centering looks quite decent. I mean, it's a little bit bright heavy. That's nice. That's nice.
Nice.
I think I've already got it. I think I've already got this one, but it's an evolution. It's a VMAX. We'll take it. But it seems like Evolving Skies is trying to redeem itself, which I'm down with. Evolving Skies, keep trying to redeem yourself. I'm good with that. Okay, next pack is a Rayquaza pack. Let's see what we can get. Can we get one more hit? I'm happy with the 2 we've got, but let's see if we can pull some more. Water Energy. What? It was metal? Really? You can? Wow. Copycat, Zerelius, Skiploom, Dwebble, Hippopotas, Zorua, Psyduck, Rufflet, Skeleton Reverse, okay, and Ampharos. It's like a giraffe. It's like a giraffe kind of kangaroo type deal. He's cool. 2 packs left. We've got Umbreon and Sylveon. Comment below which one you think is going to pull the best hit. Let's have a look at Umbreon first. What can Umbreon give us? Come on, Umbreon. Don't disappoint. Ball from the back to the front. Fire Energy. Okay, it's dark. Nuzleaf. Golduck. Rubber Gloves. Hoppip. Dino or Dino. Mareep. Wobbuffet. Love Disc. Shelgon Reverse. What? This is an awesome ETB. Nice, so 2 VMAXs, a full art. There's one more hit in here. That's 4 out of 8. But 3 out of 8 will take that. Let's get it sleeved up. It's a nice card. That full fringe, little emo. What a nice card. Evolutions look great in the VMAX sort of format. They look really cool. I'm not a big fan of the VMAX cards, all the rainbow stuff going on, but I do like it when it's an evolution. Last pack magic, can we do it? Can we do a last pack magic here? Let's have a look. So 4 from the back, spin it to the front. Psychic. Oh, it's like it hates me. Okay, Water Energy, Nuzleaf, Ice Cube, Skip Bloom, Rufflet, Rogan Roller, oh, Wobbuffet, Hoppip. Oh, I missed one. It was a Swablu. Swablu. Drebel Reverse. I need it, so it's cool. And Altaria. Okay, not bad. Now let's have a look at our pulls. Let's go back and just have a look at what we hit.
A few moments later.
So we hit 3 times. We got a Vaporeon V, full art card, a wonderful background, a gorgeous full art. I actually think this is my favourite full art card from the set. I actually really like this one. That's really nice. We got Vaporeon VMAX. And we got the Icy Boy or Icy Girl Glaceon VMAX. I'm pretty happy with that. That's a good ETB. I mean, compared to some of the ETBs I've had before, that's worlds above. I mean, I've had ETBs and I've got 0 hits before out of 2 ETBs or 3 ETBs. So yeah, I'm happy with that. If you liked the video, feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment below your favourite evolution, or comment below what hits you're after or what hits you've got so far. And thanks for watching the video.